Hello guys, nagluto ako ng fried rice. Ayan guys, may sahog na hipon. Ayan. So, special po yan guys. Special na fried rice. Kasi may hotdog, may ham, may hipon. Ayan, complete po ang ating sahog dyan guys. Sarap. Yummy, yummy. And my tummy. Yummy, yummy. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy, yummy. In my tummy. Yummy, yummy. Yum, 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 yum. So, ayan guys, oh. Ayan ang hipon niya. Dami. Ayan. So, napakasarap nito guys. Ayan. Yummy, yummy na yan, guys. Let's eat. Let's eat, guys. Ayan ang sabi niya, guys. Oh, diba? Kita niyo yan? Delicious.